On the night of October 22, a real terrible storm broke out in Gaza Strip. Local residents experienced a night of lightning and thunderstorm that no one would forget. Lightning flashed on the slope of the sky, flashing in the darkness of the night like natural fireworks. The storm thunder was so loud that some residents called it the thunder all of time. Local security service and rescue workers worked throughout the day to help those affected by the disaster. Additional forces were deployed to provide assistance. According to preliminary data, no one was injured as a result of the storm, but there was property damage.